Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So you see 4 vehicles on your screen. None of them are related in any ways, but somebody in comments asked me to compare CCA models with Bburago with Hotwheels Premium, but just for fun I threw Matchbox Collectors too, because all of them are around the same price, and obviously you will want to know which one to go for, what other differences are. I'm gonna start with the very obvious one, that's Hot Wheels Premium, because most of you will or have already found one of those on the stocks or markets or stores wherever you go, because this is the most common one. So let's start with this one. So when you buy a Hot Wheels Premium, you do get few things: rubber wheels, nice rims, rubber tires and nice wheels. This particular one is a rally car, so you do get some good details here, like a big spoiler and obviously air intake. But some other details which you will find constantly on Hot Wheels Premium is like you get detailed headlamps, turn indicators, a nice premium kind of paint or finish. You also get detailed tail lamps, and you do get a metal base, which you don't get on all the Hot Wheels. And that's why they are slightly heavier too, because of the metal base. Some might have mirrors, some might not, depending on the different models. Now, the other one which you will find after Hot Wheels are Matchbox Collector. These are again priced around the same as the Matchbox Premium, and you will find some similarities like rubber tires and these nice looking wheels, and they do look good, and they also have a metal base. Same like Hot Wheels, they get painted or detailed headlamp, turn indicators, tail lamp, and a premium paint and some good details. The difference I found, Matchbox usually does regular cars more in their cast premium or collector edition. Regular, I mean the production cars, not like this XT220 is not regular in any sense. But Hot Wheels does more like custom cars, modified cars. They usually rally cars, off-road vehicles. They usually do that. And these you do find older cars from Matchbox Collector. Now next, Bburago has been there for a long time when it comes to toys. This one is like the premium. It's not trace and play, which is like basic. So this one does come with some details which are not present on regular Bburagos. So you do get moving parts here. You can see the door which opens up, so you do have that. You do get opening doors. Headlamp which is detailed. You can either find them painted or the acrylic one like you see here, the plastic one. You do get badges and everything. Something different from Hot Wheels or Matchbox is these come with suspension on them, and the rims sometimes actually look really close to what you see on the actual vehicle. And as I talked about, the opening parts which can be present on Matchbox Collector too, but I've never seen one on Hot Wheels Premium. These can vary from the scale. Hot Wheels and Matchbox, they don't really stick to 1/64 scale. These are sometimes can be 1/64, but this particular is 1/72, and for the price I think it's a really nice casting. Bases, these ones do come with plastic base. These are not metal, but I think I've seen some with metal base too. And this is the new kid on the block, CCA models. They have, I don't know how long they have been producing it, but recently they have gone in like the market where people are actually liking these ones. This particular is their kind of premium. The basic one you get just with painted headlamp, normal, like how do you get the Meister ones. These ones are comparable to Hot Wheels or Matchbox, like Premium and Collector, the Bburago I just showed you. These do come with some nice details, and this one actually came in a display box, acrylic display box with a plastic base. The casting particularly, they have good details. You can see you've got detailed headlamp, you've got detailed grille. The wheels actually look really nice, and I think these are the ones that look the closest to what you will see on the actual car. You also get good details like the mirrors and windshield wipers. The base, it again can vary, but these ones have metals, You can see it's made in China, and there's the place to screw the base. And the major difference I've seen, all the other casting, they have rivets in it, but these one are screwed in. So I think if you want to detail it, customize it, should be easier. Now, it also comes with suspension, just like the Bburago, and you do get the rubber tire and neither wheels combo. You do get the details too. In the back, one thing I have noticed, the paint or decos, the headlamp and tail lamp, these are still not up to the level of Hot Wheels or Matchbox. But overall, as a package, this is a really good casting, for especially for a 1/64 scale. And if you're not really into playing with, or taking them to the Hot Wheels track and stuff, which most of the people with collection won't do that, I think it does look good, unless you look really closely. When you can see, it's like the headlamp here, you see, it's good, but still not as good as what you see on the Hot Wheels and Matchbox. But I think with time they will improve. So if you are thinking of buying one of these compared to one of these, I think CCA is catching up. And even if you look them side by side, you can see it's trying to depict more details. But yeah, minor details still need to be spot on. But if you look at from far, it looks like if you are like in a display, it looks really good. Well, those are my thoughts. Let me know what to think about this. If you have a nicer model or something which looks really good, do comment, do share a link. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.